Hello everyone.
Nowadays, many companies want to update their reporting data into one platform. In this case, I want to talk with Kintone is a good growing data platform. Here we can see their official website and demo video from it so that we can understand how the Kintone is popular and using easy to handle the multiple data into one framework, clear user interface, and use it by multiple user or employee by anywhere through the internet, and reply and making conversation thread can help to the all user clear communication throughout the world. So Kintone is a better choice for the company to data analysis and representation of graph are awesome. Recommend or use the Kintone if you want to establish a good presentation about the data of the company or any association. You can use it. Now in this video I want to explain how to get automatic data transfer to the Kintone. So we have used KT API here, and it has two methods using API token or using user password combination. You can visit the official website of Kintone and you can get official document. So this is the method where we can get the automatic update by the help of any programming language. So using here we see the principle of automatic data transfer, and we can see the two method of first, that is with API token, is a simple. Here we can see the Python program, the code I mentioned earlier, API token, and without API token, which required user and password combination for the security. Get up for watching. I will bring another video use of Kintone API. Like this video, like. Okay, bye bye.